Hey, welcome to Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand. We just landed in Don Mueang Airport. Our second time in Thailand, but this is our first time in Don Mueang Airport. It's quiet. Same as other airports, it's a long walk. Bangkok is 1 hour behind Philippine time. So it's exactly our time here, 5 a.m. plus, while in the Philippines it's 6. Oh, the escalator is under maintenance. Hindi pwede malakaw. Hindi pwede magamit ang escalator kaya under maintenance. Oh my God. It's a long walk ahead. See? I haven't seen videos or vlogs about Don Mueang Airport, so wala pa ako nakapalo. Imagine isa pa. Ay, duka, duka. The flight took a 3 hours and 45 minutes duration. Pero we landed early, 20 minutes before that expected time. So nasayo mi og abot ang Cebu Pacific. Well, that's good. Pero kaayo. So I think this is it muna. Okay, I have to go to the toilet for 4 hours. I haven't done CR. So this is it. Toilet muna. Break.